Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter of plus 2 biology, human reproduction. Reproduction is the process in which any organism to maintain the continuity of life. How the reproduction can take place in human being. In this chapter we will discuss on all these topics. First of all, human being is a unisexual organism. It means male and female both have only single sex organ. So human being is unisexual as well as it shows sexual dimorphism. What is sexual dimorphism? It means when we study about the male and female external body features, we distinguish between male and female. It means the exterior body parts, the exterior body features are in male and female is different. So we can say that human being is sexual dimorphism. There are some phases occur in reproductions which help in reproduction and which can be prevented, just like as when we show the reproduction process, how this process can take place. First of all, phases. The phases which occur during the reproduction. The first phase is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process in which formation of gametes takes place. Formation of gametes. This process is known as gametogenesis. Gametogenesis in male and female both are known as different processes. In males, it is known as spermatogenesis. This is because in males sperms are produced, and in females this process is known as oogenesis. So first phase which occur during the reproduction, that is gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? The process in which gametes are produced. In males, sperms are the male germ cell, or we can say the gametes. The production of sperm is known as spermatogenesis. In female, ovum produced, that is known as oogenesis. After formation of gametes, there is requirement to fuse these gametes. It means after formation the gametes are required to fuse each other. So there is transfer process can take place. Male gametes are transferred into the female vaginal tract. That process is known as insemination. Insemination. What is insemination? Transfer of male gametes. Transfer of male gametes into the female vaginal tract. By the mating process, so that is called insemination. After insemination, it means transfer of male gametes into the female genital tract. These male gametes then fuse the egg, and that process is known as fertilization. The next phase is fertilization. What is fertilization? Fusion of male gametes with female gametes. To produce a diploid zygote. A diploid zygote. This process is known as fertilization. And after the fertilization, first one, the fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube in the female body. Fallopian tube, that is also known as oviduct. The junction where the fertilization can take place, that is the junction between isthmus and ampulla part of fallopian tube. after fertilization, then the division in cell can be seen. It means the division in zygote can be seen. That phase, that stage is known as cleavage. The next one is cleavage. Division in zygotic cell. Zygotic cell. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. It means division can take place. Then they will produce morula, blastula, and process known as gastrulation. So we can say that division in zygotic cell or gastrulation, formation of gastrulation. Formation of gastrulation. That is called cleavage. After cleavage, this fertilized egg moves from fallopian tube to uterus, and in uterus this transfer can take place. After as the fertilized egg reaches to the uterus, it sticks at the inner wall of the uterus, that is called endometrium, and this thickness of, or we can say that implantation, this thickness of the fertilized egg with the endometrium, that phase is known as implantation. So we can say that the next phase is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Implantation. The fertilized egg stick at the endometrium. Endometrium is the inner wall of uterus. So we can say that inner wall of uterus. This fertilized egg then stick at the inner wall of uterus, that is called the inner wall of is called endometrium, and this process is known as, this stage is known as implantation. This is called implantation. After implantation, the developing zygote requires nutrition. So to get the nutrition for the developing zygote, it gets nutrition from the mother body through a special tissue that is called placenta. It means after implantation, placenta is formed, and that placenta, which is the special tissue, provides the nutrition to the mother body, to the developing embryo, as well as excrete waste substance. This formation of placenta is known as placentation. Next phase is placentation. Formation of placenta. The fertilized egg adds implant at the uterus wall. Thus, the developing embryo requires nutrition. So, nutrition is provided to the developing embryo from mother body through a special tissue, that tissue is known as placenta, and formation of placenta is known as placentation. After placentation, then the germ cells are developed, and formation or development of germ cells, that is known as gastrulation. The next phase is gastrulation. Formation of germ cell, because these germ cells are responsible for organogenesis, organ development. So formation of germ cells. that is known as gastrulation. As we know that human being is a triploblastic organism. It contains, the germ cell contains three layers: ectoderms, mesoderm, endoderms. Formation of these germ cells, which one? Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Formation of these germ cells, that is known as gastrulation. After the gastrulation, these germ cells help you to develop the organs. And formation of organs from germ cell layers. There are three germ cells layer: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderms. All these germ cells layer help in formation or development of organs. And the process in which organs are developed, organs are formed, that phase is known as organogenesis. Organogenesis. Formation of organs, or as well as we can say that development of organs from germ layers. From germ layers or germ cells. That is called organogenesis. As the development fully takes place, embryo fully developed, this fully developed embryo is expelling through the female mother body. That phase is known as parturition as well as delivery. Next phase is parturition, or we can say that delivery. Expelling the fully developed embryo from mother body or from female body. This phase is known as parturition. Clear? These are the phases occurred during the reproduction. One more term that is known as gestation. One more term is gestation. What is gestation? The time period in human being from fertilization to parturition. It means as the egg fertilized, the development, cleavage, implantation, placentation, gastrulation, organogenesis as well as parturition. This time period which is taken by the female body to expelling the fully developed embryo from fertilization. This is called gestation. The time period from fertilization to parturition. From fertilization, not from gametogenesis and insemination. From fertilization to parturition. This time period is known as gestation. And in human being, the gestation time period is 280 days, or as well as we can say that 9 months. So we can see that the gestation time period in a human being is 9 months. These are the some terms, some processes which may occur during the reproduction. After that, we will discuss on male reproductive system. We will discuss in next part.